Hi, this is James from Square Internet with another WordPress tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking to you about SSL certificates, which by now you've probably already heard of, and how you can easily activate HTTPS and install a free SSL certificate on your website using Siteground. So Siteground are one of the biggest hosting companies in the world. They are the hosting company that I would recommend if you're looking for good value for money, excellent customer support, and an all-around good option for WordPress hosting or any kind of hosting. One thing they do offer, which is really cool and really useful, is they offer free SSL certificates using Let's Encrypt. For those of you who still aren't really sure what an SSL certificate is or what it does or what it means, an SSL certificate encrypts the communications between your website and people that visit your website. Over the past couple of years, Google have released a number of updates, kind of gradually increasing the importance of having an SSL certificate on your website. They started off by favoring websites ever so slightly in search that had SSL certificates installed, and as a result were serving their website over HTTPS as opposed to HTTP. Recently there was an update on the Chrome browser that meant if you don't have an SSL certificate installed on pages that contain a contact form, then it could flag a security warning for users on your website, which obviously can be quite bad if somebody's on your website and they're presented with a security warning just when they're at the point of submitting a contact form or contacting you. That's obviously not going to be great for conversions or any part of your marketing or sales funnel. So I thought I'd just do a really quick tutorial just to show you how easy it is to set up an SSL certificate on your website using Siteground. So all that you need to do is log into your cPanel via your customer portal. If you go into your customer portal and click on Accounts, you'll see the button to log into your cPanel. And you can access the username and password from your account section. You can also change the password from in there. But all you need to do is come into your cPanel and then scroll down to the bottom to security and click on Let's Encrypt. And I've got my own website in here and a couple of other domains that I've just been playing around with for some other tutorial videos. And as you can see, we've got a Manage Let's Encrypt Certificates section. So the SSL certificate is active on these three websites. All you would need to do if you did want to activate SSL on your website is find your domain. If you're using multiple domains, for instance, Siteground offer a GoGeek package where you can have multiple domains. You'd have to first of all add them as an add-on domain using your cPanel, which again is easy to do. But if you just have the one website, it should be showing here by default in your domain section. So all that you'd have to do to activate your Let's Encrypt is click on HTTPS settings like this. You then need to click on Enforce and External Links Rewrite. Click OK. And that's all that you'd need to do. The SSL certificate should be activated. It should activate fairly sharpish, almost immediately. There's also the option of getting a wildcard SSL certificate, but a simple SSL certificate should be all that you need to get going with a small business website. So yeah, it really is that simple. It's just a case of coming into your cPanel and activating the SSL certificate. If you have an existing website with a lot of content, it might be worth putting a little bit of thought into your links and your redirects and that sort of stuff and having a strategy in place for that. If you do encounter any issues though, Siteground support are amazing. You can go into the support section of your website, send a message to the live chat box and you should get a response almost immediately. If for any reason you encounter any issues bringing your SSL certificate live, they usually get back to you really sharpish. And if it's something that their general support team can't solve, they'll log a ticket for you with their advanced support team who will go in and fix the problem for you. So you really can't beat the customer support as far as that goes. Hopefully you found this video useful. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to install a free SSL certificate on your website if you host it with SiteGround, because I know there are a lot of websites out there that still don't have SSL certificates or are probably scratching their heads as to what HTTPS is and why it's important. But as you can see, really simple and straightforward and easy to do. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for future videos. Thanks again. Cheers.